Good evening, guys. So today I want to cover something small about WordPress errors and how to solve them quickly in the shortest way possible. So the first thing, for example, you are working on a website such as this one, and for you get yourself in this error, HTTP error 500. So if you try to reload the page, this is the page you were having before, but then you have been installing plugins or doing something in the CMS, but suddenly you reach in this page isn't working. How shall we solve that one? So for the first thing you need to do here is to know the error itself, how the error looks like. So for this case, so I don't know the error. So the first thing you want to do is go to your file manager, click and search for file manager in your cPanel, find yourself in the cPanel. Then go to the directory where your WordPress is installed. For mine is installed in the public_html. And at this page you will see several files and folders. So identify the wconfig.php file, click edit and continue to edit it. And in this page you want to see the database settings. That's the database name, password and the rest. So the one we are looking for here is the so-called editing capabilities. So we want to log out the bugs that the website is encountering, that we may be able to see what we have. So find a line that is written define wp underscore debug. For this one is set to false, set this one to true, and save the file. And if I reload the page, and here this is the error get allowed memory size of 67 MB exhausted, tried to allocate something 20 MBs or something there. So this is an error of memory limit, and we have been able to identify it. So the next thing we want to do after you have known your exact error, by setting the WP debug to true, you want to go to your cPanel and identify the malt.php INI editor. So I need to go to this malt.php INI editor. That's the ini files where your files are set. So I want to select the file I want to edit. For this case, I want to edit the one that where my directory is installed, and find my memory limit variable and edit this one from 64 and set this one to 128 MB and apply. So some errors may be requiring you to set the specific post max size and the upload a file size. If you are trying to upload a file size and it fails, now you need to adjust this one to be at least larger than the file that you are expecting to upload. The next one is the post max size. If you want to write a long post, you need to adjust this one from 2 MB to something larger than what you are expecting to do. So from there, if I save this file, I guess I have saved it here. Yeah. And I try to reload my page like this. So the error will be gone, and that is the case. That was the only error that I had here. And after the error is gone, you need to go back to your WP config file and edit it back to false. Otherwise, don't leave it true for production purposes. Set this one to false, so as the person who is trying to visit your page, if there is an error, they see the error instead of seeing the debug messages. So save the file, and we are done for the day-to-day. That's the case. We only needed to change our memory size, and the error would have been solved easily like that. Thank you for watching.